Introducing STOCKY Work Tainer. STOCKY produce high quality made unlike any other painted coating, which will chip and wear quickly in high traffic areas. Let us show you its features. The side panel designed with support bar handle. This PVC base is securely gripping the bottom and foldable. It can also be folded after use to save space for storage. Wheels brake is lockable. At STOCKY, the swinging door model is designed for moving numbers of goods or products in large quantity from one to another intended area. Furthermore, the operator may securely lock with the latch that came along. The Work Tainer is specially designed to transport goods similarly to a trolley, but can move more materials in a more secure way. Thanks for watching. Visit www.yktow.com for more details and contact us today.